Hey everybody, this is just a quick video to help you if you have a Samsung dryer and you're getting an error BE. So the error, what it is, and then how to fix it. So the error BE the B is for button, so it's a button error. So basically it means that one of the buttons on the dryer is stuck. It's stuck in the press position, it's sensing that. So what you want to do is just go around the dryer and wiggle all the buttons and make sure that none of them are stuck pressed, and then you should be able to find maybe something that's got a little buildup of something that has making it stick in a pushed position. And if you've done that and you have gotten all the buttons working properly, the next thing you could do is just do a hard reset on the whole machine to just clear everything out, which is just turn it off and disconnect it from power. Either unplug it from the wall or turn it off at the circuit breaker if it's hardwired. Leave it off for 30 seconds to a minute, and then you can return power to the machine, and that should hopefully, if you do all that, it should hopefully get rid of the code. If none of that gets rid of it, you're probably going to have to call out for service. But anyways, hope this video helped you. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.